This video covers auto-programmable switch replacement for the SlimRack slide-out system. The tools required to perform this procedure include a cordless drill and bits appropriate for the hardware found in your installation. Using a cordless drill, remove the two screws mounting the auto-programmable rocking switch to the wall. With the switch hanging free, access its wiring harness spade connections by gently pulling them out of the wall. On your replacement switch, ensure it's oriented as the original is, with the leads running to the LED on the left-hand side of the switch housing. Install the red wire spade connector to the new switch's center terminal. On the original switch, disconnect the center terminal's spade connection. Disconnect the yellow wire's spade connector from the original switch and connect it to the replacement switch's left terminal. Repeat this step for the blue wire, installing it to the replacement switch's right terminal. Disconnect the original rocker switch's gray and red wiring harness connections to the slide-out controller harness. Connect the replacement gray and red wire spade connectors to their corresponding leads on the slide-out controller wiring harness. All the connections for the wiring harness to the switch are now complete and can be tested before proceeding. Tuck the wiring harness into the wall. Then mount the switch using a cordless drill and two screws to complete the switch replacement procedure.